Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the one-liner questions of Part 66, which are very useful for all competitive and defense examinations. Let us see what exactly it has been given in the slides. Mudra Rakshasa. The book Mudra Rakshasa was written by Vishaka Datta. Please remember, which is important bit. The book Mudra Rakshasa has been written by the Vishaka Datta. Dandekar committee is concerning to what? That is concerning to the poverty. So they had set up a committee by Dandekar that is related to the poverty and poor. What are the people concerning to resolve the solution for this poverty? Wasteland was written by, there is a book that named as Wasteland. It had been written by T.S. Eliot. The national income is equal to net national product at factor cost. What exactly the national income is? It is equal to the net national product at factor cost is known as national income. Next we have Southwest Africa was the name of Namibia. Please remember, initially Namibia had been called as Southwest Africa. The maiden woman to climb Mount Everest was Miss Junko Tabei. As you can see to the right side, how exactly she is flying the flag of Japan. As you can see, the Japanese national flag is in this manner. So Junko Tabei, she had climbed the Mount Everest maiden time. It is first time in the world. But in the case of India, Bachendri Pal. The first ever woman chief minister of an Indian state, Miss Sucheta Kriplani, she was the chief minister of United Province, that is Uttar Pradesh. Governor was Sarojini Naidu. After she had become the governor, after 3 years, Sucheta Kriplani had become the chief minister of the Uttar Pradesh. The first person to float in space, please remember, going into the space is different and floating in space is different. So going into the space, Yuri Gagarin, but floating in the space, Alexei Leonov. He is the person who had floated in the space, Alexei Leonov. The largest forest in the world is Ganga Jamuna forest. So as you can see to the right side, how exactly the Ganga Jamuna region had been occupied with the dense forest. First Chinese pilgrim to visit India was Fahian. So please remember, Megasthenes has come during the time of Chandragupta Maurya. Hyansang has come during the time of Harshvardhana. Now you guys tell me, in whose time Fahian has come? Bhagavad Gita was originally written in the language that is Sanskrit. Bacteriophages is the group of virus. Please remember what exactly the bacteriophage, that is a group of viruses. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. You can join Defense ICTA Telegram. There are 800 plus question papers for various examinations. As you can see how it has been segregated into various playlists. Next we have tears. Whenever we cry, we get the tears. These are secreted from the glands which are inside the eye. Those glands are lacrimal glands. These lacrimal glands are the main reasons for the tears. Seed is a mature ovule. Please remember, whatever the seed we have, it is a mature ovule. As you can see to the right side, how ovules and production of eggs takes place. It consists of a megasporangium, megaspore, and one or more protective integuments. This is what exactly you have to remember. Open market operations is a lot of monetary policy. Whatever the open market operations we have, it is a lot of monetary policy. The number of ribs in the human body we have, that is 24. If they ask the total number of bones are present in the human body, that is 205. Now you guys comment me in this section in how many bones we have in the face. Sulfur dioxide is a bleaching agent, reducing agent, and acidic oxide also. A barometer without liquid is known as aneroid barometer, in which there will not be any kind of liquid present in that. Normally there are various barometers in which you will have the mercury, and in alcohol barometer you will have the alcohol in that. A wounded watch has which type of energy? We knew that whatever the wounded watch, it has got the potential energy. Even this energy is applicable for the water stored in a tank. A missile projected into the air flows parabolic path. We knew that whatever the missile which is shown as picture, once it is thrown, then you will have the parabolic path, that is in the shape of U actually. The Corbett National Park was originally named as Hailey National Park. We knew that whatever Jim Corbett National Park we have, originally the park was Hailey National Park. So the Jim Corbett, which is famous for tigers. The term cue is associated with billiards. We knew that whatever the billiards game, there is a table, on that you will have the balls, you have to beat with the stick, that is billiard. In that there is a term as cue. The Bird 1 trophy is concerning to what? This trophy is concerning to weightlifting. Finance Commission is appointed by the President after 5 years. Please remember, whatever the Finance Commission we have, that has been appointed by the President after 5 years. The deficit financing implies financing of the budgetary deficit by borrowing from the central bank of the country. Please remember what exactly the deficit financing is. That implies financing of the budgetary deficit by borrowing from the central bank of the country. This is what exactly deficit financing. A system in which the farmer produces primarily for market sale is known as subsistence farming. So this is what you have to remember. What exactly the subsistence farming is? A system in which the farmer produces primarily for market sale is known as subsistence farming. The currency of Greece is drachma. As you can see, there are various currencies you have to remember. Euro, and we have here the currency of Greece is drachma. The Finland is known as land of thousand lakes. We have the land of elephants, that is elephant, that is Thailand. Here it is Finland is known as land of thousand lakes. The first British Governor General of India was Warren Hastings. He was the maiden British Governor General of India. The title Anna is for the CN Annadurai. We knew from Tamil Nadu. He is Annadurai, who is known as the title with Anna. Indian citizenship can be acquired by descent, birth, and naturalization. These are the few factors which are very essential for if you want to be the Indian citizen. The largest mountain range which is located in, as you can see to the right side, how exactly Ants mountain range looks like. Isobars are the lines joining places of equal atmospheric pressure. Here the bars is pressure. So these are the equal atmospheric pressure which are there. They are the lines present. They are isobars. This is my mobile number, guys, 7667302252. You can call me or message me by WhatsApp. You will be given 2100 PDF of GK and GS for the various competitive examinations. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.